Feeling and enthusiasm is very important for a public speaker. Why do you think political parties, they hire big brands, and pay them fortune just for getting votes or just for, doing the advertisement? Because, the enthusiasm in their voice, it is much more impactful than a normal bhashan, right? Then I'll give you two more examples of feeling and enthusiasm. Actually, I would like to share with you a research which was done on, two series of ads on a watch, okay? So the first series of ads, they talked about the durability, the workmanship, the guarantee, okay, like durability as in like it's very strong and we use this machinery and this and that, right? And it's durable, it's like waterproof and it is very strong, right? And they also talk about the guarantee and the warranty for 2 years, okay? And the second series of ads, they talked about the emotions, and it was like a watch to be proud of, right? Watch to be proud of. So, you won't believe the second series of ads, it sold twice. So the second series of ads, it actually talked about the emotions. It actually talked about, how proud you will feel when you wear that watch, or how good the watch will make you feel. You will feel more confident, right? So that is the power of enthusiasm. Hope you like my video. Stay tuned for the next video.